I have Xiaomi Mi A2 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings. From the following list, let's scroll down and choose system. Here let's tap reset options and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data after this operation. So if you are aware of this, let's choose reset apps. And that's it, you just restore the default app configuration. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.